Hi, I'm Manila Brion Malinaw, sharing with you my reaction on misinformation and disinformation about fake news. All of us may experience hearsay or fake news from our friends and relatives, but we have to know first the first source of information and identify. Look carefully the website, social media account that originally posted the story. Do some homework on the source. Is it a form of reputable news organization or reporter? Who funds or sponsors the site, and also their motivations? Be careful because many fake news and propaganda outlets use web addresses and designs that are suspiciously similar to legitimate sources. Is that really CNN or ABC? Or is it a wolf in sheep's clothing? Number 2, know the content. Read the entire story, not just the headline. Is the story believable and logical? Does it refer to good sources? Is it straightforward news, or could it be an editorial or opinion piece trying to persuade you? Or could it be just for advertisement, satire, or hoax? Never share a story unless you know for sure what it really says, and whether it's trustworthy. So if you're not sure, don't share. Number 3, know the facts. In most situations, different news organizations will report the same basic. If you can collaborate these facts across several reputable outlets, there's a good chance the story is fake or misleading. You can also use reliable fact-checking websites such as FactCheck or to investigate controversial stories and claims. Number 4, know the date and other evidences that will make it true. Old news stories are often reposted or repackaged on social media, sometimes in an effort to get more clicks and more advertising money matters. Make sure the info is current, relevant. For ongoing news event, be sure to read widely and track stories over time so that your knowledge is up to date. Number 5, know yourself. Research shows that we tend to be least skeptical. We have to reinforce our existing moral values and beliefs, as we also believe that do not do unto others what you do not want others do unto you. Our emotions